In this video, I'm going to talk about two string functions that you might find very useful while encoding and decoding strings. So hey guys, this is Vishwit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first function is actually ORD and the second string function is CHR. In one line, I should say that ORD, it takes a character, okay, character, and returns a number, or I should say returns Unicode. Fine. And here takes character and return Unicode, and this takes Unicode and returns character. Okay, pretty simple, right? Now, so I am assuming that you guys know what is Unicode. If I talk about Unicode a little bit, so every character that you see, everything from symbols, numbers, alphabets, everything that has an associated numbering to it, okay, that we call as an Unicode. So Unicode has like all the English letters, we have numbers, we have symbols, there are other languages present, there are I should say emojis present, different symbols are present. Okay, I'll show you few examples. Even there are emojis present. Okay, so everything has a mapping to it. So one particular emoji has a mapping to it, has a mapped number to it. It has a number code to it. Okay, capital letter A has a code number to it. Capital letter B has a code to it. Fine. So let's take an example. So if I do ORD of a capital letter A, okay, by the way, so if I do shift and enter, it has a number to it which is 65. If I do capital letter B, it has a number to it which is 66. Likewise, if I do ORD of Z, it is 90. If I do ORD of small letter a, it's 97. So you get the idea, right? Now, as I said, you can give numbers. If I give ORD of 6, okay, now it's 54. Now you might say, okay, why we are giving numbers in quotes? Why can't we give like this? Okay, so this is actually a numeric value, an integer value. Okay, your Unicode works with strings, or I should say characters. Okay, it works with single character. Okay, so every character has a mapping. So if you give a character to it, okay, this is not a character, right? This is a value, or I should say an integer. So if I give a string character to it, or I should say a character to it, if I just give a character to it, it will give the particular Unicode value to me. Okay, that's how I would put it. So here 6 like this won't work because this is an integer. See, ORD expected string of length 1 but int found. We can't pass integers. Okay, for beginners this might seem like okay why 6 is not working, but it takes a character, that's it. It also takes question mark. It also takes it takes anything that you can see on your keyboard, maybe equals, okay, maybe spaces. I think, do we have tab character? Just my bad. Okay, do we have tab character in it? Can it take? Okay, yeah, it took tab character. Fine. Yeah, so if I give /n, it took 10. Okay, so yeah, I mean here it says ORD expected string of length 1 but int found. This is string of length 1 only because this gets changed to one tab space. Okay, this gets changed into new line character. So they are I mean, don't get confused with this message that, okay, why it's length 1, but we are giving length 2 over here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, escape sequences will work. These are called escape sequences. This will work. Okay. Even this will work. / 92. Okay. So these things will work, because this is considered a single character. This is also considered a single character. This is considered a single character. Okay. I mean, the fun part of this is, for example, if I give ord of a single slash, okay, actually this will give us an error. Yeah, you can see end of line while scanning literal, because this is now becoming a single character actually. So what happens is, okay, we are telling, okay, find the Unicode value of this. Fine, but you can see our quotes is starting. This is the particular value that we have, but our quote is not ending. Little bit confusing. I don't want to go into that, but to work around this, we have to give double slashes. So it's 92. Fine. So it's like / comma. Okay. I hope you get the idea. I think I have to print this. Yeah, I need to print this, otherwise this won't work what I'm trying to show. Yeah. Yeah, this is one character. Okay, that's what. We'll talk about escape sequences later. Okay. Just for simplicity, it takes in a particular single character. This is a single character, by the way, and it returns us an Unicode value. Okay. I will keep that to it. Now, there are more characters actually. As I talked about emojis, I'll experiment with emojis also. Okay, Unicode emojis, because I don't remember emojis. Yep, let's see, will this work? I'm not very sure, I'm not even confident will this work or not. Let's try ORD of this particular emoji. Please work. Yep, it worked. See, this emoji is one character, okay, mapped to this particular number. Maybe the star struck. Okay, if I give ORD of star struck, we get another interesting value. So yeah, this is what it does. It took a string, took a character, returned us the Unicode value associated to it. That's all it does. Now, we did from the symbol to number. Now we will do just the opposite. Now I'll go from number to the symbol. So ORD of, now since we need to go from number to symbol, it is CHR. Now here we have to pass the number. Now this has to be integer, okay, because this is the integer. That is something you have to make sure. We have to pass as a number. Okay, don't pass inside quotes. This is a number 129321. And look, we get this back. Okay. What happens if I do 2 Okay, we have another emoji. 2 3, another emoji. See, this is the fun part. See, I am right. I just gave it a number and it gave me emojis. Okay, there is one fun thing that I really want to do, and I want to do it. So I have not talked about for loop. Let's imagine that you guys know it. Okay, 320 and maybe 129,350. Okay, and I want to print CHR. Okay, just type what I'm typing. That's it. If I just do it, what happens? See this. We have a list of 50 characters actually. If I just do like this, yep. Okay, my bad. I mean, this number is definitely not that much understandable. Okay, I'll put count, and I will put count plus equal to 1. Yeah. Now this is understandable, right? So I gave you 30 characters, not 50, 30 characters. 30 emojis I'm able to generate just using CHR and the particular string value. Okay. This is what the fun part is. Okay, we can do this. We can do this fun stuff. Yeah, I mean the idea is same. We just give it a number and it returns back a value. So now let's come with something that you will be using actually for most of the time. So generally, these things you should remember. I mean, this value you should remember. So ORD of capital letter A, you should remember. ORD, my bad. I forgot this shortcut to go into the code. ORD of Z, you should remember. Okay. So you should remember these two values. This 65 to 90, that is for capital letter A and capital letter Z. And you should definitely remember a small letter A to small letter Z. Okay, it is 97 to 122. You should definitely remember 0 to 9, which is 49. Okay, it starts from 48 till 57. Okay, I even I don't remember it, but this is, you should remember it. I think it's a good thing to remember it. Definitely you can just type this and get the particular value. I mean, that's what I said in one of the interviews. The interviewer asked me, okay, tell me the ASCII value. Okay, there is something called an ASCII value. So he asked, okay, tell me the ASCII value of 0 till 99. I say, okay, I don't know it, but I know how to find it. So I gave this. Okay, I can do it in this way. So I'll just say, okay, ORD of 0, and I'll get the value and I will use it. Okay, he was not happy, the interviewer. So please don't do it. You can just try to remember it. Only 4 numbers, right? This will become very easy. 65 to 90, 97 to 122, 48 to 57. If you are working in Java, I mean, you will remember it for sure, because in Python it's a little bit flexible. Okay, I will tell what I mean by that. But you should remember definitely this few these 3 values, I should say. I mean 6 values, 3 ranges. Okay, that's all. This is what you will be using a lot. ORD, it takes a character and it returns a Unicode, and CHR, it takes a Unicode and returns a character. Okay, that's it. So I hope this video was helpful and informative and fun. So if you like this video, do press that like button, and I'm going to see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.